Good day everyone, I'm Chela K. Celis and I will discuss a comparative study of compensation packages, international versus local operations. First, I choose Jollibee. Since Jollibee is a multinational corporation with its headquarters in the Philippines, its parent organization abroad would effectively be its overseas branches and its Philippine branch would be its home base. This makes Jollibee an intriguing choice in contrast to foreign multinational with a Philippines branch. This provide a distinct viewpoint. Gather data on the compensation package of the company's parents organization abroad, international branches. Base salary. Base salary for Jollibee employees international vary significantly by country and local labor laws of April 2026. While Jollibee Worldwide Services handles global operations from the Philippines, store-level pay is typically dictated by the regional minimum wage. Uh, sa North America, salary in North America are the highest in the Jollibee network, though they fluctuate by city and states. Sa United States, $14.32 to $18.78 per hour. Sa Canada naman is 15 to $19.35 per hour. Sa United Kingdom, yung crew member is £18,434 annual salary. Yung assistant manager naman is £25,463 annual salary. Sa manager naman is £33,429 annual salary. Allowances. International Jollibee location offer allowances that are customized to regional labor standards with a heavy emphasis on food and financial support to offset daily living costs. Common international allowance. Meal privilege, uniform allowances, and employee discount. So, sa meal privilege, almost all international crew members, including those in the USA, Canada, and UK, receive free daily meals or meal credit worth a specific daily amount. And yung uniform allowance in regions like the Middle East and UK, uniform are typically provided for free, covering the cost that might otherwise be an out-of-pocket expenses for employees. Sa employee discount, staff in Canada and the USA often receive a 10% to 50% discount on additional food purchases outside of their duty meals. Region-specific allowances. Yung sa Middle East, meron ticket allowance and accommodation and transportation. Yung sa North America naman, merong 401k RRSP matching and health benefits stipends. And sa United Kingdom, merong travel subsidy. Next is role-based differences. Crew versus management. While crew members primarily receive in-kind meal perks, restaurants manager in Europe and North America often receive more structured cash allowance for travel and mobile phone usage. Shift incentives in high-demand markets like the UK, night shift differential or holiday pay acts an additional cash allowance for working on sociable hours benefits. Jollibee International Benefits Package is a combination of core global perks and region-specific mandates that vary by country, while food-related benefits are global standard. Financial and medical perks depend heavily labor laws and employment status, full-time versus part-time. Um, Global core benefits. Merong meal privilege, employee discount, career growth, and pay leave and life insurance. Incentives. Jollibee International Incentives Program mirror its domestic culture of joy, but are adapted to local market standards. The company focuses on the mix of performance-based cash rewards and structured peer recognition to drive engagement across its 32-country footprint. Uh, yung sa incentives, merong performance and recognition incentives, best crew of the month, on-the-spot recognition, performance bonuses, FSC award, and recognitions. Sa financial recruitment incentives, merong perfect attendance bonus, shift premiums, and recruitment rewards. Sa non-monetary and social incentives, merong team bonding and celebrations, merong global CAOR and career advancement. Sa Philippines naman, yung base salary naman, yung entry level ng crew is range niya is 11,000 to 13,000. Tapos sa experienced crew naman or shift leader, 14,000 to 15,000. Sa store supervisor or manager trainee, maabot ng 20,000 to 35,000. Sa store manager naman is maabot ng 40,000 to 60,000 plus up. It depende sa kumpanya kung ano yung mga compensation o yung contract nila. Next is allowances. Meron na food and meal allowances. Nandun yung sa service crew in kind. Instead of cash, crew member usually receive a free meal or snack per shift. The type of meal often depends on the length of shift. Like for example, half meal for 4 hours versus a full meal for 6 plus hours, 6 to 8 hours, ganyan. Meron ding management cash. Yung management trainees and managers are more likely to receive a specific cash meal allowance as part of their monthly compensation package. Yung sa overtime or night shift, employee may receive an additional meal or a meal allowance specifically for overtime or night shift. Next is yung transportation and travel. Meron dito travel allowance, reimbursement, and shuttle service. Uniform and clothing. Most service crew position provides the initial uniform for free. However, some employees note that additional set or replacement at certain franchise-owned stores might require a payment. Other potential allowance, depending on the specific branch, company-owned or versus franchise, and employment status. Other allowances may include performance incentives or communication allowance. Yung sa benefits naman ay nandito yung core compensation and financial benefits, health and wellness perks, daily work perks and leave, professional growth. Yung sa core compensation and financial benefits, nandito yung government benefits, 30-month pay, bonuses, allowances, differential pay. Yung sa health and wellness perks naman is nandito yung mga health insurance, life and disability insurance, employee assistance program. Sa daily works and leave naman is nandito yung free meal, paid leave, yung employee discount, and yung free uniforms. Sa professional groups naman is nandito yung paid training, internal promotions. Incentives naman is nandito yung performance and recognition incentives, financial and recruitment incentives, non-monetary and social incentives. Sa performance recognition incentives, and dito yung best crew of the month, on the spot recognition, performance bonuses, and service incentive leave. Sa financial and recruitment incentives naman, nandito yung external referral program, yearly holiday bonuses, incentive bonuses for managers. Sa non-monetary and social incentives naman is nandito yung team outing and celebrations, professional development, tas merchandise and gift cards. So, ito po yung logo ng Jollibee, and yung history ng Jollibee is Jollibee was founded by Tony Tan Kakchong in 1975, opening its first branch in Quezon City as an ice cream parlor franchise from Magnolia. As demand for hot meals like burger and fries grew, the business shifted its focus on rebranded into fast food restaurant, adopting the name Jollibee to represent its fun and energetic image. It introduced iconic products such as Yum Burger and Chicken Joy, which quickly captured the taste and hearts of Filipinos. From a single store, Jollibee expanded rapidly across the country, eventually becoming the leading fast food chain in the Philippines and surpassing international brands. In the 1980s, it began its global expansion, opening branches in Southeast Asia, the Middle East, the United States, and other parts of the world. Today, it stands as globally recognized Filipino brand famous for its delicious food, family-oriented services, and the slogan, Bida ang Saya. So, ito po yung address ng international and local branch ng headquarters ng Jollibee. Analysis and comparison of compensation packages. Sa base salary, local salary are aligned with regional minimum wage law. For example, service crew typically earns around 15,000 to 20,000 monthly, while managers earns around 25,000 to 35,000 monthly. The structure is fixed and based on local economic standard. What for pa kung nasa probinsya ka? May provincial rate pa yun, mas mababa ang mga sahod. Sa international naman is salary are significantly higher adjust to the cost of living and local currency. In the US, crew members approximately 15 to $21 per hour. Kung sa Philippine peso, 850 to 12 per hour lang yun. Management roles can reach up to $50 per hour. The pay scale is generally more competitive compared to the local counterparts. Bonuses and incentives naman sa local includes mandatory 13-month pay equivalent to 1 month salary, performance-based bonuses, allowances, and profit sharing may be given depending on store performance and position. Sa international, bonuses are often performance-based or annual. In countries like US holiday pay and overtime rates are strictly implemented and usually higher. Some locations offer tips or commissions, which are less common in the Philippines. Sa non-monetary benefits naman, yung local naman, merong health and security, SSS, PhilHealth, Pag-ibig, contribution, yung sa leave naman, service incentives leave, 5 days or year after 1 year, sick leave and vacation leave. Sa perks naman is free or discounted meals during shift, uniform allowance, and opportunities for promotions, trainings, standard operational training, and career development programs. Sa international naman, meron din namang health and retirement leave and flexibility and development. Health, comprehensive medical, dental, and vision insurance, and often covering dependents. Retirement, yung 401k plans, sometimes with company matching, leave, more generous paid o time off, PTO, and sick leave policies. Flexibility, flexible scheduling options, and work-life balance initiatives. Development, structured training programs, and clear career advancement path, similar to local standard but with potential global exposure. Compliance with labor laws. Sa local is fully compliant with labor code of the Philippines and dollar regulations. These ensure minimum wage, mandatory benefits, and proper working conditions are met. Sa international naman, strictly adheres to the labor laws and regulation of the host country. Example, Fair Labor Standard Act in the US. This ensures legal compliance regarding wages, working hours, safety standards, and employee rights specific to that nation. Employee satisfaction and recommendation. Sa local, employee satisfaction is generally positive regarding the work culture and family spirit. However, some feedback mentioned that the base salary can be low relative to the workload through benefits like the free meals, and free meals are appreciated. International satisfaction is often high due to better to pay rates, the comprehensive benefits package, the work environment maintains Jollibee's core values while adapting to local cultural norms. And yung sa recommendation naman is this recommendation should be practical, evidence-based, and aimed at optimizing the comprehension structure in the Philippines. They should leverage insight gained from the comparison with the international parent organization and general best practices in compensation administration. Consider how improvements could impact employee motivation, retention, and overall business performance in the Philippines context. And that's all. Thank you.